Jackie Mazzucato here, and this is my Thursday cook.
Cauliflowers are on sale at the moment, only $1.99 at my supermarket, so I thought, let's have a go on a roasted cauliflower. So what I've done is I've steamed off my cauliflower for about 6 minutes in the steam oven, but if you don't have a steam oven, you can also turn it upside down in a saucepan of boiling water and boil that for about 5 minutes. So I've got a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of cardamom, a teaspoon of fenugreek, some pepper, some salt, another teaspoon of turmeric, and also I wanted to spice this one up a bit, so I've got some chili powder in here as well. But so all I'm going to do is just mix that one in here with my melted butter. I can smell it already. And all I'm going to do is just paint this across the top, just for a little bit of decoration and just to tie in that Indian theme. I've just taken some black mustard seeds and put those across. Now, how quick and easy was that one to prepare? It's going to go in the oven now, and I'm going to see you back in about an hour, hour and a half. What I did just before I finished off the cook is I threw in a handful of sultanas and some pistachio nuts, about 5 minutes towards the end, just to warm those up and through. And I already pre-fried some onions. I wanted to give it that real authentic Indian balance, give it a bit of spice, a bit of sweetness and a bit of tartness. So I've added some yogurt to the bottom of the plate here just to make a bed to put the cauliflower on. Some beautiful chutney, which will bring back some of that sweetness. And then, as I said, the pistachios and the sultanas for a bit of crunch. So let's have a taste and let's grab all of those beautiful, I've got a little bit of the leaf there, yum. Grab all of those beautiful flavours. Oh, this is definitely going to be a family favourite. Wow. Anyway, I'm going to leave you guys to it because I've got a cauliflower to eat.